Hey, it's Jose with Hair Transplants of Florida and back with more information. This week, for some reason, it's Doctor Hair Transplant Week because we've had about 4 doctors that have scheduled surgery with us. And definitely, I do all my consultations the same way, very focused on teaching, even though obviously they're very, very smart patients and, have medical degrees and everything, but they still have a good amount of information to learn about hair transplants. So the interesting thing is, after they schedule and even after they do surgery, especially doctors, I ask them, so why'd you choose us? And they always point out to the fact that Dr. Sam Botta, our surgeon, is a board certified cosmetic surgeon, is very, very well versed as far as and experienced in doing any type of closures that look phenomenal, and definitely the actual hair transplant result. Not only the doctor, but they're also impressed by our team of technicians. Some of them have even worked on me 20 years ago when I started my hair transplant journey. So it definitely takes an experienced team. Dr. Samuel Botta has over 25 years of hair transplant experience. Our technicians vary from 20 to 10 years, and a lot of them have a lot of medical backgrounds, have learned on the job straight from Dr. Botta, and have long careers doing great things for a lot of patients. So if you have any questions and you're interested in talking to an office that is focused on teaching instead of selling you and guiding you down the right path, you can call us at 855-855-4310. Our website is hairtransplantsoflorida.com, and I am en route from our Naples consultation office to our surgery center in Fort Myers, where we're going to be doing more consults and helping more people. So give us a call. Look forward to helping you. Take care.